The onset of a pandemic poses a serious threat towards urban and rural settings alike. While most city inhabitants now have the ability to use their individual vehicles or better sanitation methods in public transports, most rural areas still lack the resources to bring about such changes to their lifestyle without disrupting their livelihood. Despite the constant efforts at spreading awareness about the same, it is inevitable to not consider the reality of physical distancing attempts in a traditionally crowded area. Firstly, the bus pickup points and parking areas are designated in accordance with the frequency of buses to prevent unnecessary crowding. Additionally, multiple pathways were created around the station to passively decongest the space while providing users the opportunity to follow these precautions. There are three main circulation pathways where the most common pathways used are given a curved profile. There is a staircase path that leads to the common bus parking, a ramp leading to the seating areas, and a third path through the courtyard. The site has a naturally sloping contour that was incorporated into the design, resulting in varying levels of waiting areas that automatically ensures proper physical distancing. Each seating area has a green belt adjacent to it that acts as a barrier and is a method to naturally cleanse the air while also helping in enhancing the aesthetic value of the space. Recent studies show that when a person coughs, approximately 30% of the droplets linger as microdroplets in the air, which can then act as virus vectors. The current goal is minimizing the exposure of people to these particles in poorly ventilated spaces. This open plan with multiple slits was created to improve ventilation by dispersing pathogens. The slits are strategically placed in the areas adjoining the paths of the buses. Movement of large vehicles at low speed can create a significant amount of energy, which can be used to create a passive design solution that makes sure that microdroplets are regularly dispersed through these slits. The regular departure and arrival of buses at this terminal will result in mitigating the risk of spread at least every 20 minutes. The solution also remains relevant with regards to potential outbreaks of future airborne diseases. Thus, this terminal design is a proposal to urbanize the mobility space and enhance the experience of all its stakeholders by using elements of natural ethnicity to this region while also attempting to incorporate the recent challenges and subsequent design solutions brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic.